A very good morning and welcome back to Earth Speaks. Friends, today I'm going to tell you about this product which is in front of you. It is a sewing machine. This I purchased a few months back for around 250 rupees only. The price given on the packet is 300 rupees. It is very useful. It can stitch laces on the curtains or some cuts in your shirts or pants. You can mend them. It is very handy. Handheld, and size is equivalent to a stapler. So I will give all the details of this product and how to use it. I will tell you. But before that, may I request to all of you to please subscribe to my channel Earth Speaks, and don't forget to press the bell icon after that so that you receive all the notifications of my new videos. Comment on it, share it, and like it. So friends, I move ahead. This is the product which I got, and I got some accessories with it in one packet. These are the accessories in this packet. I get one spool adapter, one needle threader, one extra needle, and one cap. And this is the sewing machine. And if you take it away from the body, it is like that. The basic spring operation. Here it is the shuttle, needle, needle thread tension assembly. You can use a roll instead of this shuttle. For that you have to unscrew this, and you can put this adapter tied is and clockwise. Put the roll, and on it you can put the cap so that it doesn't come out of this adapter. Like this. Take one end of the thread. There are two loops. Take this thread in this loop 1 and loop 2. You can use shuttle or you can use this roll. Take the thread out of both the loops and tighten within the tension assembly like this. Change the direction. Now take the needle threader and you can put thread with the help of this in the needle. Insert it in the needle hole like this. like this and put the thread in its loop. Right, and pull it back, pull it back. So now thread is inside the needle. You can see. It is inside the needle. Place it properly. I tighten it. Like this. Pull it up. And take the thread out here, downside. Now the machine is ready. You can sew it. Take the cloth, pull this piece up and put the cloth down like this. Leave it. Now with the help of this upper part, press it. One by one. And from the other hand, you can take it out. And when the stitching is completed, you simply have to stop. Again, pull this piece up and cut with the help of a scissors. Cut the thread. Both the sides. So friends, you can see how easy it is to sew is anything, laces on the curtains or mend your shirt or pants or innerwears. So I hope this video is quite helpful for you. And how to use it, I told you each and every part of this machine, small machine. It is very handy. You can take it anywhere. It's a portable machine, quite handy, quite useful. So I'm quite sure this video is quite helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, comment on it, share it, like it. And thanks for watching this video till the end.